Hello everyone, welcome back. So this is a fourth part of engineering drawing, that is conversion of pictorial view to orthographic view. So in this video we'll go through another type of problem of conversion of 3D drawing to 2D views. So let's go through the problem. So whatever the problems we've been solving, those are simple problems. So we'll be taking first simple problems so that you'll be able to understand how to analyze the drawing. So once you know how to analyze the drawing and convert those 3D drawings into 2D views, so slowly we will go on using the difficult type of problems. Okay, so here on the left side you can see there is another type of problem. So here also we need to convert it into 2D drawing. So we have again three views they have given in the question, that is front view, here top view and right view. So here they have given right view which has to be drawn on the left side. Okay, so front view here, okay, and then the right view is drawn on the left side of the front view, and again top view at the bottom. So let's go through first one, that is the front view. So in front view, this is the front view. So in front view, this L shape you can see here. Okay, so this part is visible, and again whatever the steps are there. Okay, here three steps. So this part here, whatever this part you can see on the left side. I'm showing the cursor here, yellow screen, yellow cursor. You can just concentrate on that. So here this part is visible, and above that this rectangle, okay, and above that this rectangle. So like this you will be having this part first, and then above that here a rectangle, and above that here a rectangle. So like that your front view will be visible. Okay, so first let's draw the front view. So to draw the front view, again you have to use what, a thick line. So I'll take it here because we are drawing the right view, so that will be coming on the left side. So I'll draw my front view here a little bit this side on the right side. So now firstly we'll draw this, that is this length. We'll first build only this part here, and then again we'll build these two rectangles one above the other. So here what is the length? Here they have given 125 mm. So I'll draw it, that is 125 mm. Next, so what is this height? So how much they have given? So you can see here they have shown the height, that is this is 20, this is 20, and similarly this is 20. Why? Because you can see here this total height how much they have given on the left side. You can just concentrate on the cursor here, yellow cursor. So here the total height they have given as 60 mm. Okay, and here the two steps, the dimension they have shown as 20 and 20. So remaining what, it will be again 20, so that you will get 60 total height. Okay, so the height here, that is from here to here, the height is how much? 20 mm. Next, now what is this distance? How much this is? So they have not given any dimension, but this dimension they have shown, that is from here to here they have shown the dimension. How much it is? 45 mm. So you need to subtract the 45 out of 125. So 125 minus 45. So how much it will be? 80 mm, right? So on the left side 80 mm, 80 mm. Next, so what is this height? Okay, so this total it is 60. So already we have drawn 20. So remaining is how much? 40 mm, right? So upwards you take 40 mm. Next, so we are at this point now. So you can see on the left side of the screen we are at this point. So now I need to draw from here to here. So this line we need to draw. So what is this? How much it is? 45 mm. So on the left side again you take 45 mm. The left side you take 45 mm, and finally we are here. So just join from here to here using thick line. Okay, so this part, this much part we have drawn now. Okay, so all these drawings should be drawn using thick line. So using a pencil, thick line. So using the thick line you need to draw this, because all the views, front view, right view, top view, all these views should be drawn using thick lines. Next, now above this, when you are seeing from the right, that is this seeing from the front view, that is from here. So this whole part is visible, so that we have drawn already. Okay, so next, on the, just see on the left side of the screen. So this part is visible now, only this rectangle. Okay, so you can see on the alphabet F here. Okay, so that only that part rectangle is visible, so we need to draw only that. So its length is again how much? Similar to this length, how much it is? So we have drawn, we have taken this length as 80, right? So 80 plus 45 will be 125 total. So this is 80, and what is this side? This side they have given how much it is? 20. So we need to draw 20 by 80. So already 80 is available here. Okay, you can see on the right side of the screen the 80, whatever this 80 is there, it is already available. We just need to draw 20 and then close it like this. So I'll just zoom it. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll again take using thick line. Now what you do, start from here, from this end above how much, 20 mm. Okay, so here it is actually 20 mm above, means now I'm at this point, I'm just drawing upwards 20 and I'll directly join this from here to here. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just join it from here to here. Okay, so this is how your front view looks. So above this again there is another rectangle, this is final rectangle. Okay, so again its length is same, how much, 80, and its height is how much, here they have given 20. So same way like earlier, again from this end or this corner, draw a line using thick line above the how much, in the upward direction 20 mm. Okay, and then finally join it. So this is your front view, actually how it looks, the front view. Okay, so here this plane is visible and above that two rectangles. Okay, so this is the first one that we have drawn, and above that we have drawn two rectangles, right? So we just extended this, and on the left side same way extend from this corner upward and to the left side. So like this you need to draw the front view using thick line. So now after you have drawn the front view, what we'll do, using thin line you draw, okay, using pencil. So just by releasing the pressure on the pencil you will get thick or thin lines, right? So just leave a sufficient gap here. Okay, so draw an y-axis using thin line, draw y-axis same way, leave a sufficient gap so that you can show dimensions, and draw x-axis. Okay, so we have drawn the front view. So next we will be drawing the right view. So right view will be drawn on the left plane because its projection will be falling on the left side of the front view. So that's why it's will be drawing the right view on the left side. Okay, so now what all faces or surface will be visible in the right side. So this step, okay, first one we will draw this step. So this step is visible, right? In right view you can see on the left side of the screen, just concentrate on the yellow cursor, you can see this, whatever the step is there. So this step we need to draw. Okay, first we'll draw that, and after that this part is visible. Okay, I'll just tell you, first we'll draw only this part here. So what is its length in the right side, this how much it is, this width it is 90 mm. So again now using thick line, okay, using thick line what you do is, yeah, first what you can do is using thin line only. So what you do, just project these. Okay, you just project this line, so like we did in the earlier one, just project this one, and next this step, the second one project it, and then the third line you project, and finally the fourth one. Okay, so we just project these lines like this. So now what we need to draw this part. Okay, so what is the height and what is the length? So what is the length, how much it is, 90. So what you do is from here, okay, or you can draw it from here to the left side, how much it is, 90 mm. Okay, so using thick line you draw using thick line, clear, you draw using thick line. Next, now I have drawn from here to here. Okay, so I have drawn from here to here. So now from this end, how much, what is the height, how much it is. Okay, so what we did is, okay, I'll just once again I'll show you. I took a line. Okay, so leave a small gap here or sufficient gap and start from here, clear. So I am starting from here, that is I am starting from this end to the left side. So how much is total length, it is 90 mm. So I'll draw 90 mm line. Next, now next, so this, what is the height of this? Okay, it is 20 mm. So upwards you take how much, 20 mm, straight it should be, the line should be straight and the length of the line should be 20 mm. Okay, you draw 20 mm. Next, now I am at this point, you can see on the left side of the screen. So I need to draw from here to here. So what is this distance? They have given how much it is, 30 mm. So using thick line again draw to the right side 30 mm. Okay, next I am at this point. Again I need to go up. How much it is? 20 mm. Again upwards 20 mm. Okay, so I have drawn here. So now finally from here to here, how much this distance is? Again how much it is? 30 mm. So again to the right side you draw 30 mm. Now I am at this point. So again upwards, how much it is? 20 mm. So again upwards 20 mm. And finally this one. So here it is total 90. So already we have drawn 30, 30. So 60 it is. So to complete 90, how much? Again you need to add 30 mm. So to the right side again 30 mm. And finally from there to here you join it. Right. So this is, we got our step. Right. In the right view, this is how it looks. So right view, this step is visible, and after that this when you are seeing from the right view, this step whatever you have drawn, you can just see on the left side of the screen. Concentrate on the cursor. This whatever the step is there, that step, and the inside, this inside on this part. Okay, you can see a G. They have shown the alphabet G. So that part is visible. Clear? So what you can do is, again using thick line, you just start from this end. You can see here on the right side of the screen. Just start from this end. Okay, and take it upwards. So upwards, what is the height? So that is this side. How much it is? 40 mm. Okay, so just take 40 mm upwards and just join it here. Right. So this is how your right view looks, which is drawn on the left side of the front view. Right. So if you just what you do once you have drawn this, just delete these projection lines. Okay. So this is the right view. So next we have drawn front and right. So finally what remaining is the top view. So same way like the previous videos. Okay, so take a thick line, take a thin line. So now using pencil, draw thin line here. So draw thin line at what angle? So you can take the length of this line more, no problem. The length is not a matter here. The important thing is the angle. The angle should be how much? 45 degrees. Okay, the angle should be 45 degrees. Okay, so I'll just zoom this part now, so that will easily draw. So you can take any length. Okay, you can increase, you can take any length. The important thing only is here is the angle. So the angle should be 45 degrees. Okay, so next what, like we did earlier, just we go on projecting this. So that is what you have to do. So finally we need to draw the top view. In top view what happen? So just concentrate on the left side of the screen. So this whole, whatever the A part is there, so a surface A, so that whole surface A is visible. Right. So that whole surface A is visible, and along with that this surface B. Okay, this surface B and this surface C. So this surface C is visible. Right. So same way now what we'll do is, okay, so using again thin line, what you do, you just project this part here downwards. Okay, you can just project it, and again from this end to this end. Okay, so next again here this part, you project it from here again. Okay, now from this corner to this corner here. Okay. What, just extend this. Right. So just extend from this corner downwards, from this corner downwards, same way from this corner down till here, and when it reaches this 45 degrees line, what do you do? Again you what you call just direct it to the horizontal line. Okay, so now I got this outer line. Okay, outer surface. So what I'll do is, again using thin line, okay, extend these lines, the inner ones. Okay, extend these lines, same way here this part, extend this line. what I'll do is I'll just trim it. Extend it like this. Okay, so now I got the outer part. Okay, and similarly I got the inner part. Now what do you do? So this 4 lines you have extended here. Similarly, now from this corner you extend it downwards. Clear? So automatically now we got our what top view. Okay, so this first one, that is, we'll draw the first A section and then we'll draw B section and C section. Okay, so this is nothing but your A section, this is B section, and this is C section, right? So now using thick line, okay, use thick line, and what you do, you start drawing it from here. Okay, you start from here, so upwards how much it is? 90 mm. So this from here to here it is how much? 90 mm, that is 90 mm. So upwards it should be 90. Next, I am at this point. Now from here to here how much it is? What is the length of the this object? 125. So 125 to the right. Now next, well, first only we will draw what? A section. Okay, so from here to here, so what is the distance? Okay, so it is, this section is 30, this section is 30, this section is 30. So same way here you can see on the left side of the screen, this section, okay, whatever I am showing here cursor, that section is 30. So again downwards you draw how much? 30 mm. Okay, so next, now I am at this point. So from here to here how much it is? So that is 45 minus 125, that is 85. So to the left side it is 85. I am at this point, so join it downwards here. Okay, so join it downwards, and finally from here you join it to the left side. Okay, so whatever now you have drawn, so this drawing has to be drawn using thick line, right? So now A section we have drawn this A section. So now we'll draw this B section, right? So again take using thick line. Okay, so start from here. Okay, so from here I am starting from here. So from here to here it is how much? 80. Okay, again finally from here to here how much it is? 30. Okay, so we have drawn B section. Similarly C section, again start from this end, 80 to the right side, and upwards you join it. Okay, so this is your front view. So in front view A section, this is the top view. So in top view A section is visible, B section is visible, and C section is visible. Okay, so that is, this is A section, this is part is B, and this one is C. So this is the front, top, and the right view. Clear? So just delete these projection lines later, or you can just rub these projection lines. We don't need them. Why? Because we'll be drawing the dimensions, right? We'll be showing the dimensions. So these extension line will go again mix up with the dimension line. So it will be very difficult to read the dimensions. For that reason, you just delete those all the extension line. So now what we'll do is we'll just show the dimensions. Okay. So first I'll show this length. So what you do, you just extend using thin line. Okay, again extend the extension line here, extend the extension line here, and show the dimension. Okay, and the distance here should be how much? 1 centimeter. From this line to the your dimension line, the distance should be how much? 1 centimeter. Clear? So that you have to remember for all the problems. Next, after that I'll just okay, so next we'll show this dimension. Okay, this is how much it is, this height, 20, 20, and 20. So same way again take, extend from here up. Okay, so from here and here you extend it, show it down outside to the right side. So this distance again it should be 1 centimeter. Same way you extend line here, you extend line here. Okay, and show the second dimension. Same way extend this line here and extend another line here and show the third one. So 20, 20, 20. So next, after that we'll show some of the dimensions here, right? So what we'll do here, what all dimensions you can show is this part. Okay, so again select dimension. So this you just extend it downwards here, you just extend it downwards here. So like this, and extend like this and show this dimension. So how much this is? 90 mm, right? So after that yeah, so next what we'll do, we'll show this dimension, right? This, not this height, this one. Okay, so this, what you do, we'll show it here upwards like this. Clear? So what you do is we'll show these two. So extend the dimension line here from here upwards, extend the extension line from here to here upwards. Okay, and we'll show this dimension. This is how much? 30. Same way line extend, already it is extended. So from here using thin line extend upwards. Okay, again we got another 30. So 30 30, so obviously this should be 30, so no need to show that dimension because the whole length is 90 mm. So these two are 30 30, so remaining will be also be a 30. Okay, so just show only this much, and now next we'll show another dimensions here. So this part, okay, so this one here, what is this length? Here you can see on the left side of the screen this A section. Okay, so whatever you can see on the cursor, this dimension is how much? 45. So again, draw the extension line here, draw the extension line here, draw first an extension like this and show how much it is, 45, right? And yeah, we'll show this one also. So draw extension line here, already is done, so draw another one here. So how much it is? It should be 80. So 45 80, total it is 125. Clear? So this here we no need to show again because we have already shown those 30 30 here. So this is 30 mm here, this section here, this is 30 and here it is 30. So no need to show that because we have already shown it here on the right side view. Clear? So yeah, so I think we have shown all the dimensions, 125 20 20 20. So here it is 30 30 45 80, right? Okay, so if you want you can show it another here. Okay, no problem. If you want you can show it because this 90 already we have shown it here. It's not necessary, it will be an extra dimension. So like this we have completed the dimensioning of all the three views. So finally you have to end the diagram by showing, okay, yeah, another dimension is left, that is this line. Okay, this whatever this line is there, this line you have to show. Okay, so angle, that you have to show an angle of how much? 45 degrees. Okay, either you can show it here or you can show it here, both are same, 45 degrees. Clear? So next finally we have to show the views. Okay, we just need to write the views. So this becomes the front view. Okay, and this becomes the right view, and so this part becomes the top view. So your front view, top view and right view. So like this your drawing will be complete. So you can just check once again if you have missed anything, any dimensions or anywhere you have to show thick line or thin lines, you have missed it. So just check before finishing the, I mean after you finish the drawing, just check before once again whether you have written all the views, we have shown all the dimensions correctly. Okay, so this is what we have solved using this problem. Okay, so from 3D drawing we have converted it into 2D views, front, top and right side.